we should say Alhamdulillah. The listeners reply Yarhamukallah. The sneezer's response Yahdikumullahu wa yuslihu balakum.